coming to our main topic, which is Revolt of 57, which is known as the First War of Independence. Okay, so Revolt of 1857, as the name is telling that there was a revolt which was being done by Indian in 1857 against Britishers. Okay, so what was the reason? Actually, Revolt of 1857, it has been remarked as we can say it was a remarkable point in the Indian history. This was the first attempt of Indians when they tried to get freedom. Okay, so the revolt of 1857 was fought. But why this revolt was fought? Why this battle was fought? What was the reason? Actually, there was some resentment, there was some anger in Indians towards for the Britishers. Why they were having resentment? Why the Indians were having resentment in their hearts for the Britishers? What was the reason? The main reasons was the Enfield rifles. Was the introduction of Enfield rifles. Rifles हैं, वो जो guns होती हैं, बंदूकें, we can say जो guns थी, they were made of cartilage of animal fat. What are the cartilage of animal fat? वो मेन ये था कि वो गाय की चर्बी से बनी हुई होती थी, गाय के मांस से बनी हुई होती थी. And you know that in India, cow is worshipped as a mother. Yes, we say ना that गाय हमारी माता है, उसे मारते भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करते हैं. But at that time, Indians were given Enfield rifles to peel it. उनको छीलना पड़ता था मुंह से, उसके बाद अंदर से कार्टिलेजेस, जो उसके बाद अंदर से राइफल्स निकलती थी. So this was their resentment. Okay, and this hurts the sentiments or the feelings of the Indian soldiers. So at that time, first Indian soldier who protest against Britishers, he was Mangal Pandey. So first reason was introduction of Enfield rifles. Okay, so Mangal Pandey protest against, or he refused to use Enfield rifles because they were made up of cartilage of animal fat. So because of that, he was given, on 29/1857, he refused to use those rifles, and after 9 to 10 days, he was hanged. उसे फांसी दे दी गई. Okay, he was executed or he was hanged on 8th April 1857. So obviously, if an Indian has been hanged by the Britishers, then obviously his friends, his family members, who else were there, they will also get disturbed, they will also get hurt, and then his friends also, they also rebelled against Britishers. They also protested against Britishers. Then after that, on 10th May 1857, 10th May को that revolt broke out in Meerut. तब वो जो revolt था 1857 में मेरठ में, 10th May को मेरठ में क्या हुआ, वहां से फिर वो क्या हुआ, स्पार्क हुआ, वहां से फिर से ब्रेकआउट हुआ. एंड देन कानपुर, आगरा, इलाहाबाद, and in so many cities, in so many places we can say कि वो revolt breakout हुआ, कि वहां start किया गया. Okay, and after that some rulers who were fed up with the doctrine of Lebs which was introduced by the Britishers, then obviously उनके भी kingdom तो ले लिए ना उन्होंने rulers के. So that's why rulers were also with those soldiers कि we are with you. Okay, unity कर रहे थे, unity. Then landlords, जो जमींदार थे जिनके पास अपनी lands थी, then they lost their lands to the Britishers. उनसे उनकी land को छीन लिया गया. Then poor peasants, पीजेंट्स मीन फार्मर्स, किसान। पुअर किसानों से भी क्या किया गया, उनकी लैंड के लिए जहां वो फार्मिंग करते थे, एग्रीकल्चर करते थे, दे रिसीव्ड ह्यूज टैक्सेस। वो पहले पुअर, ऊपर से ह्यूज टैक्सेस। तो ये कह सकते हैं कि हमेशा उन पर ब्याज, हमेशा उन पर जो उधार, वी कैन से कि कर्जा होना, डेब्ट होना, वो हमेशा कर्जे में ही डूबे रहते थे। ताकि इसी वजह से जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे, दे मेड देम देयर स्लेव्स, उन्हें अपना गुलाम बनाकर रखते थे। एंड देन 10th में, एंड आफ्टर दैट they all went to बहादुर शाह जफर, वी कैन से on 10th में 1857 जब वो मेरठ में रिवॉल्ट ब्रोक आउट हुआ, उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट those soldiers went to बहादुर शाह जफर to the रेड फोर्ट in Delhi। ओके, रेड फोर्ट में रहते थे तो कहाँ गए, वहां पे रेड फोर्ट तक गए न्यू दिल्ली में, एंड दे चूज बहादुर शाह जफर एज देयर लीडर। 1857 का जो रिवोल्ट था उसका लीडर किसे चूज किया गया, बहादुर शाह जफर। बट व्हेन ब्रिटिशर्स केम टू नो दैट बहादुर शाह जफर, हु वाज द मुगल एम्परर, he was also with them. So what did they do at that time? बहादुर शाह जफर was also exiled to रंगून। उसे भी क्या किया गया, वहां से निकाल दिया गया, रंगून भेज दिया गया। रंगून is in Myanmar, in Burma, in Myanmar, which is now known as Yangon. What? Yangon. First it was known as Rangoon, now it is known as Yangon. But whatever, उसको निकाल दिया गया, and then the Mughal emperor, we can say the Mughal destiny also came to its end. Okay, also came to its end. उसका भी क्या हुआ, end हो गया, वो भी खत्म हो गई। But at that time, Britishers, they got proved that just it can happen anytime again. Yes. So what happened in 1858, 1857 में ये क्या है, 1858 जो क्वीन थी, क्वीन, so he gave the rule of India under directly under the Britishers. ओके, पहले ये सब कुछ एक कंपनी के अंडर चलता था, बट उसके बाद लंदन में जहां पर उनकी मेन कंपनी हुआ करती थी ब्रिटिशर्स की, तो वहां से डायरेक्टली उन्हें ब्रिटिशर्स के अंडर दे दिया। उसमें कंपनी का कोई काम नहीं था, जो कुछ होगा जैसा ब्रिटिशर्स चाहेंगे वैसा करेंगे, जो लॉज बनाएंगे, जो रूल्स बनाएंगे, they all will be followed, they all will have to be followed by the Indians. Okay, why? Because they were frightened now, they were scared now that it can happen at any time again. So Indian leaders called, and Britishers called that Sepoy Mutiny. Sepoy Mutiny. What is Sepoy Mutiny? कि एक ग्रुप में बनाकर कोई भी विद्रोह कर देना, कोई भी वॉर कर देना, फाइट कर देना, that is called Sepoy Mutiny. But the Indian leaders, they were very happy that this was their first war of independence, that at least they have tried their best to get the freedom, and now they got the idea ki how can they get freedom. So because of that, after 90 years India finally got freedom. Okay, there were also after 1857 also there were so many movements which were led by the Indian leaders, and after that they got freedom. So the first war of independence, Indian leaders called it the first war of independence, and it was cherished by the Indian because it was their first attempt. So this chapter is done, and one reason why the revolt of 1857 was not successful, किस लिए successful नहीं था, what was the main reason, क्यों? It was not planned. Okay, जो planned चीजें हैं वही सही से work करती हैं, it was not planned. And what was the main reason? That was lacking of unity. लोगों में unity नहीं थी। जब पहले plan नहीं होगा, सब तक plan पहुंचेगा नहीं, then how will unity be there? Okay, so the main reason was the lack of unity. So this was a chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. If you have paid attention, or you have listened this attentively, then obviously the chapter will be clear to you all. And I think this chapter is very interesting. All of you must know about the struggles which were faced by, and which were by the struggles which were faced by our Indian leaders or the people of our country at that time. Because if we are living now here free, it is based on them only. उन्हीं के सहारे आज हम बैठे हैं, आराम से खा पी रहे हैं, जो हमारे मन में आता है that we are doing. Now we are not the Britishers, we are not the slaves of Britishers. Okay? उनकी गुलामी करने की, उनकी स्लेवरी करने की कोई जरूरत भी नहीं है, because we have a free country that is called India. Okay? And you must be proud to be an Indian. So this chapter is clear to you all. Now I'm giving you some questions. You have to do it in your class of notebook and then send it to in the group. So first question is that you have to do, that is, what was the main reason of 1857? What was the main reason of the revolt of 1857? First question. Name the soldier who rebels against Britishers. सबसे पहला soldier who rebels, who fought, who protest against the Britishers. Okay, so these two, and you have to write a date also. Okay, this is the date. Okay, then and now third you have to write when was Mangal Pandey hanged. कब उसे फांसी दी गई? That was 1857, 8th April. So now you have to do these questions, do the answers of these questions in a class of notebook and share it in the group. So this was our chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day and see you in the next class. Take care.